the Maple Leaf Learning Playhouse. Hey guys, let's do the Let's Go to the Farm activity, okay? Yeah. First, if you have some time, you can color the trees. Yeah. If you don't have any time, you don't have to do it, but I have some extra time now, so I thought, why not? Great. Now for the animals. Do you know what this is? Is it a monkey? No. Is it a gorilla? No, gorillas don't live on farms. It's a horse. Yeah. What's this one, do you know? It says oink oink. And it's a pig. Yeah, great. And the next one is a duck. Great. And what's this one? Do you know? It says moo. That's right. It's a cow. Great. And let's color this part pink, okay? And his nose too. Good. And the sheep. And the rooster. Yeah, great. What does a rooster say? Do you know? It says cock-a-doodle-doo. And the last one, it's a goat. Yeah, great. Cool. Now, get your scissors and let's cut them out. Great. Be careful. Don't cut yourself. All done. Great. Now get your glue and let's glue together our farm. Put on the horse. And next put on the cow. And the duck. And the last one is a pig. Yeah, great. Let's say one more time. Horse, rooster, cow, duck, sheep, pig, goat. Great. Hey, I know a song about the farm. Let's sing, okay? Horse, horse, horse. Duck, duck, duck. Pig, pig, pig. Rooster. Sheep, sheep, sheep. Goat, goat, goat. Let's go to the farm. I see a cow. Wow! Horse, horse, horse. Duck, duck, duck. Pig, pig, pig. Rooster. Sheep, sheep, sheep. Goat, goat, goat. Let's go to the farm.
Wow, it's a cow.
Hello, cow.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm hungry.
Oh, do you like tomatoes?
No, I don't.
Do you like bananas?
No, I don't.
Do you like carrots?
No, I don't.
Do you like pie?
Pie? Pie? Yes. Yes, I do.
Good. Here you are. Thanks for playing. Maple Leaf Learning. Hey guys, we hope you enjoyed that video. Please be sure to subscribe for more great videos, okay? See you soon.